Yo, what's up everybody? So I picked up this dash cam for Stormy and we're gonna go check it out really quick. So this dash cam was sent from AZDOME. Right now Stormy has no dash cam and I feel like after my car getting hit supposedly once already on the backside, I think it's time to put on the dash cam. Opening up the box, it looks pretty legit, super nice. Comes with these wipes and these hangers. A 64 gigabyte memory card, that's pretty generous. I'm assuming this is a dash cam, so let's open it up. Wow, this looks really nice. It's like super sleek looking. This one is GPS enabled, so if you were to get hit, you would know exactly where you got hit and you're able to have like the GPS coordinates. Looks like they hooked it up with a rear facing one too, so you have a front and rear facing camera. Because I'm a guy, I probably won't need that. I'm gonna throw that away. This one has a cigarette lighter adapter. I asked them to send me the hardwire kit because that allows 24-hour surveillance even when the car is parked. Without the hardwire, you only have surveillance when the car is on. My hardwire kit is on the way. I'm gonna put it in later this week. Because you are using the cigarette lighter, there is an adapter for your USB port, which is pretty cool. Because obviously it's taking up the space. Right now it's pretty dark outside. It's picking up a lot of good light, so I like